Alright, so right now we're already on the third set of the training video here inside Hiring Secrets Formula. So in this video, we are gonna tackle naman on how and where to find a niche specific team member, and specifically where do you find them. And of course, I'm gonna show you the exact platforms that I use that you can also use depending on your advantage, no, depending on your niche, depending on your service, kung ano fit best for you. Okay, so number one, I just want to address this, that it does not really matter where you find them. Again, sobrang dami kong questions na nare-receive, and it's totally fine na nagsasabi silang, Coach, saan ba tayo maghanap? Saan ba tayo maka-make sure, no? Maka-make sure na etong group na to, etong platform na to is merong reliable na service provider or freelancer that we can hire. Okay? Guys, it does not matter where you find them. What matters most is that you get to work with somebody who knows a specific skill with the right mindset and the right personality that is fit for you. So that is why you really need to find them. Just like how you're talking to clients, just like you are finding, no, you're doing outreach, you're gonna talk to a lot of people until you get that one that is fit for you. Same as true when hiring people. Okay? It doesn't mean that when you use Facebook group, ayan na, guaranteed na that you are gonna get somebody with the right mindset, the right personality, and the specific skill that you are looking for. Or it doesn't matter if you look for, asan ba, Upwork, or ano pa ba yung iba, Fiverr, no? You have to test things out, test the waters talaga. That is the real world, okay? Now, I believe this is very clear to you already. I believe that you already know about this, but of course, this is just a refreshment, no? Kasi there's no guarantee in working with other people. However, if you're really, parang you are really driven, okay, on finding that one person that is right for you, and magkaroon kayo ng right chemistry with your leadership, no? Of course, you're gonna find somebody that will truly help you in your business. Okay? Because that's something, yung skills kasi guys, it can just be learned. You can literally hire a senior high student or meron kang pamangkin to learn a specific skill. However, finding somebody na merong tamang mindset and paano mag-deal ng tao, okay? And the right personality na that will fit with you is not something duplicable. Yung skill, duplicable yan, kahit anong skill pa yan. Right? Now, let's discuss muna contractual versus non-contractual. Contractual, dito muna tayo, no? Contractual is good if ever meron kang specific client that is signed in your agency for a specific month, time frame. Okay? So for example, if you're able to hire, if you're able to land a client for the next 4 to 6 months, that's good that you're gonna give contract to your employee. It's because you know now for that time frame, no, there is going to be somebody who will do the service delivery for your clients, and you don't need to worry about it. So again, if you're able to land somebody with specific contract with your client, okay, that is good that you do contractual with your employees so that you will also know that you're secured, and on their end, they're gonna have a sustainable job, and on your end, you're gonna know na you don't need to worry about sino gagawa ng work or sino ba yung somebody who will help you in the business. Okay? For non-contractual guys, this is good if you have landed a client and you did not sign a contract with them. That is why for me, if you're a freelancer kasi, solo freelancer, there are a lot of clients no, na parang they're open if you do contracts with them. And yung iba naman, they don't do contracts, they just send you the money. Okay? So, what I always prefer, especially as an agency, I send them contracts during the sales call, no? And I think inside the Foundation Mastery Program, I've shared this to you. How do you do the sales call and how do you present them the contract? You just simply ask that is it okay if we're gonna do a contract so that we're gonna have a written paper upon what we have agreed on. So if you have that's very good, okay? But if it's, for example, sometimes they just want to test things out, project based lang siya, okay? Or parang part-time lang siya or whatever, no? Non-contractual is still good. However, no, you must have somebody who is very trusted in doing the work with you. Okay? And me myself, I highly recommend that you work with fellow Filipino people. There are a lot of Indian people. I tried working with Pakistani. I tried working with Indians, no? They're good. Good with doing service delivery, and they have integrity naman when it comes to the work itself. In fact, I was able to have somebody work with me as a media buyer na siya yung nag-run ng ads for my roofing clients. However, yung pinaka-challenge nun is yung communication. So, since they're not very good at speaking English, sometimes I have to explain a lot, and it's gonna take so much time for me to just deliver a specific thought. Okay? While if ever you're gonna work with Filipinos, you can speak Taglish, Tagalog, or English, di ba? Or Bisaya ka naman, you can speak Bisaya, right? Pero meron tayong specific students here inside the community na nakapag-hire sila somebody from Sri Lanka and okay naman. So, talagang you just have to vet. You just have to qualify people. So, again, contractual is good if ever na meron ka specific client in place for the next months. Non-contractual if ever ano lang siya, project-based lang siya. And totally fine, no problem with that. Okay? Now, don't worry because a contract for your team members, below this video, I'm gonna be dropping a link to a document. All you have to do, just click that link. That's the exact contract I use to my team members. So of course, you wanna exchange, you wanna put your own logo. Of course, you wanna edit the names, the dates. No, of course, that's just a template that you can use. So you don't have to do it yourself. You don't have to think ano ba yung magiging contract with my employees. Okay, what I'm using in my personal agency, I will let you use it, and of course, you just need to edit and tailor fit on your own. Okay? So if that's good for you, now let us talk more about where do you find them. Okay? So, where do you find them? Unang-una, I like this so much. Warm market. Again, I like this so much, warm market, because yung warm market pala guys, no, for the sake of the beginners, yung the people that you know, the acquaintances, parang people in your network, in your circle already, kasi these are the people na mas higher yung trust. Okay? Ikaw, mas kampante ka to work with them, and sila rin, mas higher yung trust na they're working for you. Now, ikaw mismo, as you're hiring somebody, make sure you're also able to deliver your promise. So say for example, I'm gonna give you a salary every week, or yung salary mo within 15-30, make sure that you don't do delays. Make sure na kung ano yung in-offer mo sa kanila, you're able to promise it. Because as a leader of the business, no, yun yung tinitingnan din ng mga tao for them to follow you. It is very important, whatever you say, okay, you fulfill it. Never say something that you would not fulfill. It's very important. And most especially, you're dealing with people from your warm market. And you know what? In my own experience, the more I fulfill my promise with my team members, the more they're gonna get motivated, not only with salary, even if other things when it comes to they want to learn something, I will mentor them on something, I will give them something new that they would learn to upscale their skills. It's gonna be, yung environment ng team, it's gonna be so blown up in a way na they're very energetic to help you in your business because they're learning something from you. Sometimes, guys, people care more about transformation rather than the money. Kasi they've understood na yung money, once you work hard, you can just literally get it. But yung transformation, hindi nila basta-basta makuha eh. So if you're somebody, okay, you know something, you want to share them, you do some training and support with them, that is your huge advantage in building a sustainable and reliable team. Okay? So right now, why do I love warm market? You might know a friend, a cousin, an aunt, a relative, an acquaintance, a person you have met recently that might be doing the same thing as you. Okay? So, pwede work nephew, you might have met somebody in school, na digital marketing din siya. Talk about how you guys can work together. Okay? Or you might know somebody who is very willing to work for free in exchange of mentorship and learning from you. And that's what you call internship. And this applies mostly to those people who are starting out. And a lot of people are willing to work for free, no? Just in exchange for learnings. It's because they've understood now, once they've learned, just for example, like, I would ask you, would you be willing to work for free for Manny Villar in exchange of learning about real estate? Of course, you would not say no, right? Because if you're gonna learn something, even if you're working for free, in return, you will know how to build that empire or business, and you can do it for yourself. In the same way or in the same manner, once you know a specific thing, no, people would love to work for you in exchange of something that they could have for themselves long term. And that's how the real world works, okay? And this happens to people who understood real value. Okay? You don't want to work with people who are just after the money. Because if they're just after the money, guys, even if they're not just interns, by the way, if even if they're not just interns, even if they are paid, if they're just motivated with money and nakikita mo na nagtatrabaho lang sila, I want to work kasi kailangan ko pambayad ng bills. They're not after the learnings. You know what? What's gonna happen is motivated lang sila pag may pera. And you don't want that in your circle. I'm in a point now that where I don't need people, or even myself, I'm in a point where I don't need money because I've understood the more I learn, the more I earn. So that's why yung mga taong na-attract ko in my business, even if they're paid, I know. Meron akong interns, meron akong mga paid team members, all of them are motivated because they want to learn something new from me. And that's how never kami so far nagka-problem. Of course, there are still little problems when it comes to the client. Sometimes, hindi natin niya maiwasan. Pero yung mga big problems na relationship problems with the people you're working with, yun yung pinakamahirap. And that's what want you to learn. Okay? So, people care more about transformation rather than money. But this should have a qualification. Yun yung sinasabi ko earlier, no? They should be doing it all in, even if they're not paid, and you should also be qualified to teach and empower if you accept internships. So, right now, I want you to assess yourself, okay? Why are you here? Guys, it was very clear since the webinar or live calls I've been telling you, you're here. The reason why I've built this community, I don't want this community just to be filled with parang typical freelancers, VAs who just want to earn money, who just want to get premium clients. No, I don't want those community members. I want those community members who want to become a leader in their industry, who want to excel, okay? Who want to lead a team, who wants to be of great value and provide transformation to other people and significance to other people. So right now, if you're still a beginner, don't worry. I also started as a beginner. But I want you to strive. How can I become better every day? How can I learn more for me to be able to feed more to other people around me? Because I want to be qualified to teach my team members someday. Okay? So once you start thinking that, okay, magkakaroon ka ng drive every single day to learn more. And it happened to myself. Again, you don't have to be great to start. You just have to start and be great later on. You'll become great. Okay? So you should also be qualified to teach and empower if you accept internships. Even if paid, even if not internships, I want you to be qualified to teach and empower. Okay? Because that is very important. Why are you right now listening to me? Because you know that I have something that might parang pwede kong maibigay sa'yo, that you might learn something new, okay, that might empower you or might transform you from my own experience. That's why you're here, right? You would not listen to me if you do not believe in me, right? And that's what I want you to put in your mind, in your heart. Okay? How do I become a great leader? And to wrap it up, no, warm market always works well when you're starting out because trust is already there. And that's what I've said earlier. I've worked with people from my warm market, and it's not that so much complicated when it comes to languaging and communication because, of course, no, trust is already there. But I don't want you to work with people who are very close to you or very comfortable na wala ng barriers. Work with people na, again, I want to clarify what I've said. It's okay to work with people even if they're family members, close to you. However, what I meant is, yung tipong wala ng barrier, sa sobrang close, they can just disrespect you. I don't want you to do that in your business because that's gonna hurt your business relationships. Okay? So you wanna work with people who are serious, unang-una, sa ginagawa nila, serious to learn, for them to expand themselves, and I want you to be qualified in teaching and in empowering, and of course I want you to be qualified in yourself that you're able to help other people as well. So that's why I hope you are driven, you're interested, and not just interested, but I hope you're hungry and thirsty for your self-development. This is very important in building your own team. Next naman sa warm market is Fiverr.com. So if you're still complete beginner, you can just search this Fiverr.com, and I believe if you have already an experience or current freelancer ka na, you already know what it is, no? But for the sake of for the sake of complete beginners, Fiverr.com is where you can find solo contractors, where you can hire immediately to do a specific task in any niche talaga. Like in any niche, you might want to run ads, you might want to edit videos, graphics, social media management, write emails, ano pa ba? AI engineering, edit mock-ups, kahit ano-anong niche, no? Or service, you can find it here. And this is good, especially if you need it for a gig or project-based tasks, okay? And this is also good if you need to get things done ASAP or ASAP as soon as possible. So for example, meron kang specific project na kailangan mong gawin, meron kang specific project na kailangan mong tapusin agad-agad, you can just go to Fiverr.com, find somebody that has a great skill or that has a great review with a specific service or niche, and then you can just make an offer about it. You can just chat with them, and automatically they will just discuss with you about the project. And what I like about here then is it's very secured, okay? You will never encounter scam here because Fiverr is encrypted with their own security. So what you pay them, kung ano yung ilalagay mo doon, it's actually just for the freelancer or the solo contractor, and they could even claim the money if hindi mo siya i-mark as done yung project, okay? So here naman, sometimes communication is the challenge, but you can choose to work with people who are highly recommended by the platform and others to make other users to make sure you get seamless experience. So guys, when you search a specific service here, so for example, no, sa search mo dito is let's say graphic designer. So pag search mo ng graphic designer, here, funnels. Funnels na lang kasi yun yung nasa screenshot pala. Funnel builder, mag-search ka dito, no? And once you see, I will build funnels in ClickFunnels, funnel design in ClickFunnels, you will see here na eto yung mga naging stars niya. 31 na yung naging projects niya or clients niya. Eto 77 na. And then eto yung mga rates nila. You can just make an offer, no? So for example, if you're building a funnel, you're charging $1,000 for it, and then yung pinaka-advance nila is, let's say, $250 for a specific funnel. You will have a profit of 750, right? So ito naman 85 is I think the basic, ito 50 basic din to. Pero the more advanced the funnel is, more than yung i-charge nila. Pero yung pinaka-important guys is yung ilan yung naging clients nila and yung ratings nila. 4.7 to 5 is really good, no? When it comes to the stars. And you can also negotiate dun sa chat. You can just message them about their rates, no? And here naman guys, they already have their own rates. Sometimes their standard price is a little bit high, but you can always negotiate. This is something that I was saying about, no? And what I like here is you can find a lot of solo freelancers, and you can find in any service or industry. In fact, I have done a lot of projects here in Fiverr, especially yung mga what you call that, yung mga quick projects na kailangan mong maano agad, ma-finish agad. I can just literally get somebody here, do the service, and boom, that's it. And pass to the client, whatever the whatever capital or the difference you keep it as your profit. Okay? So that is it for Fiverr.com. It's very user friendly. Even if you're starting out, you don't have to worry about it. Next naman, aside from warm market, again, warm market is my favorite if you're starting out, no? However, yung quick projects, Fiverr.com. Pero yung pinaka-favorite ko talaga is Facebook groups. Okay? Pinaka-favorite ko is Facebook groups. And you wanna know why? Facebook groups, guys, is always gold. Depending on your niche and service. You just type in the search bar whatever your service need, and you will find countless groups who has a lot of service providers. So for example, you're gonna find media buyers who run ads for your agency, no? You just search SMMA Network, Social Media Marketing Agency Network. You're gonna find a lot. Even Social Media Marketing Philippines, you're gonna find a lot of media buyers here in the Philippines. And for example, if you're somebody who is funnel building agency. You can just search Go High Level Builders or Go High Level, ClickFunnels, whatever the platform you're using, System.io, that's it. And you're gonna find a lot in Facebook groups who are offering these services. And kagandahan kasi dito sa Facebook groups, guys, is ano siya, personal accounts. So you can just message them directly, have a voice call or no, not voice call, video call. I prefer for me to see them and parang directly connect and then just share. Mas, if you're into qualifying people, eto di ba, I gave you a tip that you need to qualify people. If you are into qualifying people, nagka-qualify ka talaga ng tao, Facebook groups is the key because you can message a lot of people and then hop on Zoom calls with them, qualify their portfolio, yung parang personality nila. Are you a person now who is into initiative ba, ganito ganyan, whatever your qualification process is, guys, this is the best platform. You have a lot of parang Facebook groups kasi it's made for communities. So, like-minded individuals, you can just search a specific niche and then find the service providers there. That's how simple it is, okay? But I just want you to be careful because there are tons of scammers nowadays. So I wanted to make sure you check on their profile if they're really a real person and see if they have recent activities on social media and who they are interacting with. So, wag kang mag-work talaga dun sa mga tao na hihingi kaagad ng payments upfront, tapos meron kang gagawin, meron kang i-comply, blah blah blah, tapos kailangan mo munang sobrang dami niyan, ililid ka nila sa Telegram, sa WhatsApp para hindi mo sila matrack. No. Okay? So, yung pinakauna para ma-prevent mo sila is check mo muna yung profile nila. Are they real? And malalaman mo sila, guys, if they're real people. Yung mga scammers kasi, they've just joined recently, 2023, 2024, yung mga group profile nila, and wala masyadong post, walang comments, parang, and medyo blurry yung photo. If you're getting scammed with Facebook groups, I don't know why you are getting scammed. It's just because, siguro guys, you just literally don't see their profiles. For me, I always assess a lot. I check on their profiles, I check on their credentials, if they've done with previous clients, and most importantly, hop on calls with them para makita ko if they're really real people. Okay? That's very important. So, be very careful. So, just like finding a client, join group that has at least 5 to 10 posts in a day so you know that they're active and engaged dun sa groups, no? And I love Facebook groups personally because it's where most people truly can connect. Ito yung sinasabi ko earlier. And it's very simple yung process. You want to ask for their experience, case studies, or recent works, and what they're willing to do when working with you. And giving your expectations to them. Ano yung gusto mo when working with people. And I prefer working with Filipino people, again, because yung communication and languaging. However, I don't want to limit you kasi meron tayong mga students na they've worked with Sri Lankans, Pakistanis. Kung marunong naman mag English, no problem at all. Pero yung maging challenge dyan, number one, communication and paano ka mag-send ng payment. Kasi sometimes wala silang Wise, wala silang PayPal, mahanap ka na pa ng paraan, mag-pay ka pa ng fee, no? Pero if you're comfortable naman of doing it, not a problem at all. Okay? So again, how do you find? Search SMMA Community TM Facebook group and you will find a lot of service providers. For example lang, dito kasi nakuha ko yung media buyer ko eh. Someone who runs the ads for my business. So I can focus on the offers, the sales process, ganyan. Kasi media buyer is something that I could just duplicate. Okay? So whatever niche you are in, again, if you're into video editing, search Video Editors Group Philippines. You're gonna find a lot of video editors. Social media management, Social Media Managers Philippines. You're gonna find a lot of people there. Copywriting Philippines. You're gonna find a lot of groups. Whatever niche, funnel building, email marketers, whatever, guys, I just want you to be resourceful. So again, that is it. Number one, warm market. If you're starting out, this is very good. Okay, if you know a friend, somebody, trust is there. Number two, if you want to get a project done right away, nagmamadali ka, whatever, no, Fiverr is really good. And you're gonna find a lot of skills. And this one, it's so secured kasi meron silang reviews because nakita mo ilan yung naging clients nila. Ano yung naging experience? Real reviews lahat yan, guys, sa Fiverr. And then, sa Facebook groups for long term, this is where you find. So, I hope you're learning from this video. I'm gonna see you in the next training video.